On this FANUC Series 17, we are going to see how to access the service menu to do an SRAM backup, which is a complete backup on the CNC. You are going to need a PCMCIA card, 2 megabytes, in order to do this backup. First of all, before turning on the CNC, we need to press these further right arrow keys. Press Control on. And then you have the System Monitor main menu. And we do have the option 5 SRAM Data Backup. And we have the option down and up. We are going to go down to the menu and hit select. We do have a problem with the key, but let me try to press one time. So here we have the option to, the option number 1 is to do an SRAM backup from the CNC to the compact memory, and the restore backup, which is the opposite the procedure from the compact or memory card to the CNC. So we don't have the memory card installed, but let me show you where that memory card goes on the machine. So you need to install and remove the card with the power off. And this is the CPU or the CNC unit, and that is the slot where you have to insert the memory card. Okay, once you have a valid memory card, I'm gonna leave the data for that memory card in the description, and you have to install it. Probably if you don't have formatted, you have to do it from the CNC. You have an option there. Let's check the option that we do have. And then come back to the place or the sport. So we don't have the option. Let me go back. Okay, it doesn't allow me to go back. Reset or end. Okay, since I have an error, I have to power cycle the machine again. And there you go. Here we have the memory card format. You have to go, once you install the memory card, you have to go to the menu 7 and press select in order to format the memory, okay?